Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix the issue with 5G not working on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So the first thing that we can do to try to fix this issue is by going to settings, then over here choose network and internet, and then go to SIMs and mobile network, select your SIM card, and over here scroll down and find preferred network type. Make sure that the selected option has 5G in its title or description. If it does and 5G is not working anyway, then there is one more thing that you can do before we confirm or perform the reset, and that is we can go to battery, and then if you go to battery saver, if you tend to use the battery saver, especially the maximum battery saver, then you can tap on this gear icon, and over here make sure that turn off 5G option is not enabled. If this option is enabled and you have maximum battery saver and you have the battery saver enabled, then 5G will not be used on this device until the battery saver is actually disabled. So you might need to either disable the battery saver or disable this option over here to make sure that 5G is not disabled when using this option. If this is still not the case, then another thing that you can do is scroll all the way down and go to System, Reset Options, and then over here you might want to choose the mobile network settings. So choose Reset Mobile Network Settings, confirm this action, enter the PIN code or password, and then confirm that you want to reset all network settings, and then press this button, and there we go, network settings have been reset. So now we can go back to the main settings menu, go to network and internet, and then over here go to SIMs and mobile network, select your SIM card, and here make sure that once again the preferred network type is selected to 5G. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.